Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Google Tag Manager to WordPress. Let's get started. So what we can do is you can actually add in your plugin, and it's called Sitekit by Google. So click on the search plugin and search in here for Sitekit by Google. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched this, you should be able to see some search results related to this one. So you can see in here the Sitekit, so just click on this install now, and then once it's been installed, just head over and then activate it. The activate button shall replace the installation button right here. So click on this right here in order to activate this particular plugin of yours. Once you have clicked on that, this will direct you to the dashboard of the Sitekit of Google, so just wait for it. Now you can see in here the setup for Sitekit, so just head over and start the setup from in there. So as you can see this below, and this will show us a Sitekit dashboard. You can see it just under your home page right here. So it will check the compatibility. Just click on this Connect Google Analytics as part of it. So just head over and click on the Sign In with Google. Once you're done with that, it will direct you to a next page wherein you can see your Google accounts. So let's just wait for it. Just sign in here your Google account, and then once you've done that, this will load into this. Click on Continue. And then just allow all of this right here. Click on continue again. And then once you have done that, this will direct you again to the site of your destination page. So as you can see, I am the verified owner of this. Click on next. Now you can see in here this, allow. Now just set up the search console. You can set it up if you want. And then once you have clicked on it, it will show you this. Click on next in here again. And then you're done with the 4 steps. Now you should be able to see the Sitekit dashboard itself. So just click on this account right here and then just get up your account. So if you haven't done that yet, you can actually set it up. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And then you can set up in here a property. So I'll just choose this, and you can choose in here as well a data stream if you want. And also in here, this enhancement method, click on this complete setup right there. And then once you have done that, it will redirect you to the setup page of completion. Now, as you can see, we have set up the analytics. This is just an essential part. We need to connect more service. So we need to go to the settings. Click on this right here, and then you should be redirected to the settings of Sitekit. So on the settings right here, you should be able to see some more apps. Like for example, this tag manager. So this is what we want. So click on the setup right here. And then this will direct you to a new page wherein you can set up your tag manager. So in here, this will go in here on the tag manager itself. So this will connect the service for your tag manager. Just select the accounts you want to use. We have selected the PM firms earlier, so just select that in here as well. Then you can see in here the container as well as in here. Click on this complete setup. And then once you have done that, it should be able to connect this particular service right here to your actual WordPress. So it will load again, and then you should be able to see the completion right here. And as you can see, we have now completed the setup of Tag Manager. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.